kwatira kana batanjira nkaburijo izina nira kanyeta beyazini zebije takagire ari subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Nkore Media, Nkore Media TV. Or subscribing, follow us on all media platforms. Elizoba nimpuranye ne fire ninga vibe. Of course program no OMWERATO nindikorana na mutahi wanje
yeah abareba Nkore Media amazina kabujon bayita Skainana komisi yo program OMWERATO obwenyine beyazinzeje na officer camera.
Yeah, program eje tugeretse ro new style. Another style nkoko mubene mutera kumfollow abakumfollowinga Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, TikTok. Nandi hona nimanye kumbe nimba posting njande kubereka nti program eje tumuntu tugireto mu style abakwenda kopa mutandike konka you never get us.
Just go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our videos, and of course don't forget to share to your family and friends. It is up to Nabana and Izan Bareba and Bakwan Batuanjura and Bakwan Batugambera. We will go with the Nkore Media Kwenda Kumanya. So I think it was a plan.
In fact, Skainana, before going very far, I feel like fire is burning me down. Because I'm seated between bulls and lions. I don't know whether a lion will
eat the bulls or
what? So let's go on. Let's start this one. We are unveiling a new thing. It's OMWERATO show in a new style, in another vibe, in another way, with the new guys. Very good one. Very handsome.
Celebrities. Wow. I just don't know what you say.
So the fact is, I'm happy to meet you. Call me Beyazini ZJ once again, and we welcome you. With that vibe, first shoot, penalties, first score. Yes, I welcome you, big man.
Yeah, my name is Simon. Most people know me as Sigmund. Depends on what you want to call me.
Sigmund Simon.
I'm a student at Ntare School, Form 5. I'm being BCM.
And the lion?
I'm a lion. I'm a proud lion.
Wow!
Lion Rose. Yo, we welcome you and we are happy to meet you. Of course, in Tuzakuban, Tavara Moru, Nkore no of course, Abaribitu ba Amsterdam, Kata, na America, Canada, with technology. I've been watching you Nkore in the range. So, the result was Tavara Moru. Yeah, thank you very much. And around me will come another lion. No, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm told T-Miles. That's what most of the people call me, but it ain't my name. So if you wanna know my name, you can follow me. You know, T-Miles. Yeah. Anyway, I'm a proud lion. Yeah, as you all know, I'm a proud lion. Yeah. I do every stuff you feel like how you wanna do. Stealing or what, everything. We just
wait
on the everything.
And
as long as it's not in my
reduce on the accent. Reduce. We never chick. Abachigito to kora joro zongoro kugamba. Ntori kureba shakasari ya maranyaka. Ikumi chigamba accent yo. So what do you do? You right? Stealing to
stealing no.
You can do it.
Yeah, I can.
So lions, you can see you
can see them. It depends. Yeah. Stealing actually it isn't common. It depends what you're trying to do. Yeah, some people steal cars or what. Yeah. But what I do, I steal, and I start stealing from engines, cars, helicopters.
You're real?
Yeah.
So are you saying that?
I don't steal 2K.
Wait,
just like
wait,
the Japanese.
They
steal the sugar canes, the what?
Wait, before going very far, I want you guys to get informed that what you're speaking out represents where you come from.
Yeah. Exactly.
Get it from me?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, that will come in the next time. Okay, let's talk about you.
Yeah, you can call me Binat, or many people call me Benny Banks. I'm from CHAPA and I'm proud to be from Mbarara High School.
Benny
This
Banks.
is DJ.
Okay, that's
So
a nice one.
because you told us
Yeah, I'm a soccer fan.
soccer fan for you every stuff.
Everything.
Namunonga stealing.
Even stealing, yeah.
Yeah, Namunonga. So call him
Benny DJ.
Benny DJ. Yes, I have talents here. are very, very, very brilliant guys. Are very wise men.
I love that
handsome.
DJ in him.
You haven't even seen it.
No,
I
It's
swear.
just bad.
no. Yes,
The way he says it's like he has a lot of experience, so that's why I love the DJ
Man,
in him.
he's bad.
You're real. You know, he's good. Trust
So
me.
vibe watu kwase, vibe
Yeah.
ya kwase.
Yeah, I agree.
Ati ninda already it's 1-0.
Yeah.
1-0.
We don't give a damn.
You do?
We don't give a damn.
Yes, you allow it.
Just he knows the reason that's why he's here alone. CHAPA guys fear.
You know,
Just tell them we are going online.
No, it's not
They won't come.
That's
That's
this one.
He's
CHAPA
alone.
guys fear camera.
Yeah,
No,
that's why he's
let
alone.
me clear this.
What's your?
Yeah.
Let me clear
Well,
this.
one.
Wait.
But this guy told me last night shit was going to happen. So but because I'm proud
Yeah.
to be a CHAPA, not just to represent my school, I
Wow.
had to come and
Yeah, if you can
At
see
least,
that.
but if you have
Follow
given
Wait,
me
wait,
time,
wait.
if you have given me time, I'll come.
Guys, we are
We'll
starting
come
this
in.
one. Guys, we are starting this one.
We'll-
I take this opportunity to call whoever is there. You're from CHAPA, you're from Ntare, most especially those two schools.
Yeah.
And you wish to be part of this show, make sure that you contact me, contact Lyndon, contact Skynana, contact Officer V. Or you contact Simon, contact DJ. And you'll be part of this show because it will be the best show ever in Western Uganda, I think. And it will be the best over Uganda and we go across the globe. Isn't it? As long as I love the vibe that you're having, guys. First of all, thank you for attending. And I want to start from Lyndon. Eh? From you, like we are here, apart from school uniform, your school identity card. Assume that I have met you along the way. What will show me that you're from Ntare? Like that uniqueness
like-
in Ntare, like you meet me, automatically I'll know that Lyndon is from Ntare.
First of all, tell the guys we are very different. Yeah, we have that thing in us, the gentleness in us. You can testify. We are very different.
Isn't he gentle?
He ain't gentle. You can see. He ain't gentle. First, see, you can testify just because there are.
I
some
said Lyndon. I said Lyndon. Don't.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm giving you an example because he's an
I said as Lyndon.
Yeah, okay.
Besides
just
having
like
school
me,
uniform.
wait, just like me.
Yeah.
From the perspective of that you speak English. If you're speaking to me, I'll speak English.
Yeah.
But you know the CHAPA guys, if he's speaking English, he will speak on Nkore, assure. Yes, you can justify. Remember what he said? If you are
No, he uses that word because I don't want to defend
There are
him.
many people watching.
Why
so
is
they
it?
need
Why?
to know for
They are men.
serious.
Yeah, Hariyaban to Vindiba.
I think you can see.
I love his confidence, man.
I love their way. Nata kwenda kuwa defending. How are you talking or reacting about this one? Like you guys, when it comes to English.
But let me tell you
But-
something. You see, currently, the highest percentage of the population in the world, I don't think the big percentage is for people who don't know how to speak English, people who can't understand English.
Yeah.
So, if we decide to use English every year, I'm sure that 90% of our viewers will understand what we are saying.
90% will understand.
Yeah.
But basically, our
That
team.
1% also, they have to also understand.
So no one room to us. No, I love the confidence in you.
I just love
so,
him.
so Skynana, I don't know how you see it. And basing on that factor of what he had said, Lindo, I'm still on his point of Simani, look at this one. There is that.
Actually, he has not yet told us.
No,
I just wanted to-
Arichi Agamba, like Kor Kumbugana, Omurunyankore, Orunyankore Nurusha, so Kor Kumbugana, you see that gentleness
Yeah.
in him.
Exactly.
You as a girl or as a lady, how true is it? Have you ever, before, have you ever met someone from that?
Exactly. Yeah, so many years.
Besides, without school uniform?
Yeah.
You identify him and you say that this guy is from that.
Okay, though.
Obota kummanyi.
Yeah.
We assume obota kummanyi. Toka murebaga. Oramubugino kaja, this guy must be an OB or student of
Yeah, basically, I'm not an angel, so I won't say that this one is from this school. But of course, when you see someone, the expression, the way he's dressing, you look at his hair, look at his everything, you be like, this one is from some good school.
Which hair shows that this one is from that?
No, like I won't talk about the hair, but I was just saying. Someone's appearance will tell you that this one is from some good school or this one is from some bad school. You get? Okay, I'm not going to defend the two schools, but I'm just saying what I was expecting in you. I wanted you to tell us what makes you an Ntare guy, what makes you a bull, like yeah. How do you expect people to know that you are a bull? Yeah, he's a lion. Okay, that's good. What makes you a lion? Yeah, that's what I expect.
I told you before. He asked me, Boba, as in the appearance, when you approach someone,
it was like
what
this. The question.
That's what he asked.
Like the question.
I told you that the first thing, if the person comes, you will just see the gentleness. Yeah, that's the first point. Girls from Ntara are just gentle. You know that, just gentle. Yeah, and then following what we are, who doesn't know we are like a bit humble.
You're a bit
our discipline. First of all, it's a boys' school. You know, it's a boys' school. So you can't tell me what the percentage will be. What? So that's why I say a bit. Yeah. So we are disciplined. Everyone is that.
You're disciplined.
Yeah, we are disciplined. So if you come and approach me, or if I meet you somewhere, you'll just know this guy is from this school and this. Because you'll see. First of all, I will be gentle. I will be like hi or what. Yeah, but it's a CHAPA.
I wanna know from you. Let me inquire from you, Lyndon. Are you sure that there is no any other guy outside like I can meet him? He's gentle, he's humble and disciplined.
No,
he's not a lion.
No, the thing is.
What is that uniqueness in a lion? Yeah.
Yeah. Now, like the things vary. Yeah. Where you can define someone from, just like take a look at the superhero as well. If some people are doing the damn shit.
Edition going to atandika today. So and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Or if typing Nkore Media. Don't forget to follow this show exactly all media platforms into data. OMWERATO, who is who? Basically, it is led by CHAPA and Ntare. And I'm glad to have you a bull, a one single bull. After all, Bakan Bajango and Numeni Kule Mumutira. And so you will hey. Empire Champagne in Kuhim. So we are happy to have you, sir. And you as a bull, like through Jirachirimbo Niyagam. For them, they are good in English. I will sing no matter everything Kurkunda. Nanyenda kumanya. Iwori kubugana ni wajango wana wa CHAPA, they are in the screen. I heard it. I want you to clearly uri kubugana as a CHAPA guy, yeah? Like I meet you along the town, ndio murembo mbarani itambo. Kakubugana. What shows that this guy is from CHAPA?
First, about CHAPA.
We know your problem.
Yeah.
Just speak.
We are confident. We are confident now. At least confidence has everything. Confident. If you're confident enough, you'll be gentle. If you're confident enough, you'll be disciplined. Because confidence takes everything.
Yeah.
And CHAPA guys, we are confident.
You're confident.
What else? What else do you see?
The gentleman.
Sharpness.
I can see.
I may relate this one, your last statement of sharpness with not relating it. And just comparing what he said, they are humble and you're sharp. Maybe they are dark. They are not sharp. They are not humble, they are dark. Yeah?
You're real.
No.
How do you do it?
Confidence. First, you are confident. Because human being like
when it comes to that one,
for them, they are down. Hey,
let me tell you
something big.
hey, so you.
That's why the most percentage of CHAPA guys.
Allow me get.
Let me tell you. It depends on how you describe your confidence. The moment you meet a lady along the road and you have the audacity to
from short commercial break, of course, good your camera and meta off savage, Lingash Asuman. Bungo Wabinch. Sweetheart, walk demo Bunyarwa. In other words, we are going on to OMWERATO show go to Mutam. Nkore made you review to Kusima Monongo Chinepeyazine ZJ na Sky Nana. Of course, I'm always styled by the banks to with big ups. Arba Styles wishes to sponsor this show as in styling Arba Styles. No mind. Yeah. Is it there? Yeah. Hey. Okay, sir. Arba Styles, big up. Thanks for pushing this one. Aruyo. No, you can also be part of this show by sponsoring us, by coming and participating in this one, by sharing the link of this video, by viewing, by being part of us in any way. And most of you girls make sure that you watch this show, because why are you so quiet?
When you rush, you crash.
But when you delay, you decay. When you rush, you crash. You delay, you decay.
in order for me to approach, let me tell you this, in order for me to approach a babe, I don't need to pass there myself on TV.
Yeah.
I am there.
So you don't need.
After all, they are coming for us. We don't go for it.
We don't go
If
for
it is
them. They are
that,
going.
DJ Jacob, Atakumman. Okuwake eyaringa bamuli.
So let me ask you. I don't need to. You don't go for them. I want you to clear that statement.
You don't go for
with an evidence.
Yeah.
You don't go for them.
Who was
They
ever
go-
came for you?
Very many. This is a social media one.
It's a social media, and by nature,
Anything you want.
by
You don't
nature.
have evidence.
Not the evidence. You can even testify and tell it. We don't run for them as you say.
They come
Auntie,
for you.
Wait. He told
By
you
nature,
about-
you're disabled. Because by nature, you know men go
Yeah.
for already.
Yeah, exactly.
It depends. Cristiano Ronaldo can't run for it.
Can't run for the girl.
It is impossible.
Cristiano Ronaldo can't
Can't
run.
run for yeah, level. Just like for
Can't
a
run
girl.
for a girl.
It's impossible.
But the
Go there.
But bro, around me tell you one thing. Never you joke with something called love. Never you joke with it. Talk
Actually,
about, and
Actually, it depends.
let me ask you. We have a she here. We have a she. A she bull.
Yeah.
So, can you go for a guy?
Not really. Meaning reverse.
No, I mean. No, basa kurugaho ogende and you vibe a guy.
No, not really.
Litaliye kuzo mbara okagenda ukafuna sugar dad ukachara ukwenda kazi.
Basically, men were meant to go for ladies.
No, you're wrong.
Yeah.
This is where you're wrong.
Where?
You know, it's two-sided. Yes, okay. The natural way we are supposed to go for girls.
Yeah, exactly.
But
But I'm
you
so
see,
like you know about it.
you see, God also gave you girls an opportunity to crush.
Yeah, I
Crush
will
on
crush
guys.
on you. I will crush on Lyndon. I will crush on anyone, but I won't go for them and tell them, you know what, Lyndon, I have a crush on you. That won't happen. Okay,
There are
if I
some
get
girls
that
that are
confidence,
very naive.
telling him that I
There are some guys that are very, wait. There are some guys there are some girls that are very naive.
They be naive, they come and Simon, you know, I've been watching.
my.
I want to know. Wait.
Okay, Simon, let me tell you something. Eh? When you see some girl coming to you and say, you know what, Simon, I have a crush on you. Run. Yeah, that means, yeah, she has undergraded herself, and maybe she has something for you. Maybe it's HIV, or she's pregnant and she wants you to take the responsibility, or something else.
Now, let me tell you.
No.
Yeah.
It depends the school.
Ladies don't say I love you. Men, you are.
Wait,
supposed
we are
to
going
say
out
I
of
love
the line. We are
Okay.
going out of this. I'm a Ntare guy. I wanna know that thing.
We no longer take the things to be like.
Wait. This lion had just told me that some of girls are always naive. Naive. What is the meaning of naive?
Just I will use a long expression, but
Naive.
it's
Like
it's
someone
just
want
like finding that you are more anxious.
More anxious. So someone watching us, a lion just told us, being naive is like being anxious.
Yeah, more anxious.
More
Exceeding,
anxious.
Yeah.
So,
You're willing to do anything in order to get that what you want.
okay, I'm getting. Naive means you're willing to get
You're
something.
fighting very hard.
Yeah.
You don't mind what you go through or what you do, whether it will be stupid or
But you have your own goal and you have to pass through anything.
Yes.
So it's from lion. That's how they are explaining the word naive. So I wanna know, what is in you that attracts girls to come to you, rather than you going for them?
I told you. I told you. Just like, it depends the way you are. I told you before. The guys are gentle or what. Anyway, she told us in Boba, a boy has to go for a girl.
Yeah, exactly. That's what was meant.
Yeah. And what is
Let me
in
tell you,
Ntare guys?
those things don't exist. Those things still don't exist. A girl can even go for a boy. Mind you, depending the mindset of your own mind and the school you did go to. Just like if you have a crush on me, come tell me, approach me. That's only when you have gone to a school that I understand. But let me tell you, you cannot tell me you have a crush and die with it without coming and tell me, but I'm like this and this. No. Actually, most of the people take it to Mbarara like they are undergrad with themselves or what. No, it's not like that. Just like, let me tell you, a girl coming and approaching you.
Because why I brought this one of things of girls from the field, from outside. It's from outside. It's what they say. Abana ba Ntare, when it comes to girls.
Outside was she just saying.
Hey. Abana ba Ntare, when it comes to girls, banang.
No,
we don't know what happened
But most
there.
of the time,
Let's clear this.
even they can see side. Deep there, no funny tricks to kuniga. You also know you're better than me.
Let me
Just
let me
say
ask
it.
now.
Say it this one.
Let me ask now. Let me ask you. What do you think with
Do
your
you think?
own perspective? Do you think?
I'm not saying because what I know about Ntare guys.
What you know, not what you had.
Okay, what I've heard about Ntare guys.
I think this is kind of
confusing.
excuse me.
No, I'm not
I
confusing
think
facts.
No,
No,
I
what a
say I'm
person
not defending
who has
either school.
experienced a guy talking to him and you'll be like, oh, this guy fears them. But not that you've heard from other people. You know,
Yeah.
many people have deep on us. They hate us. They don't like our way.
I think this issue needs to some audience. I put this issue to the public. I put this issue on Mkoti Yaban. So you guys outside there, you comment for us what you hear about Ntare, about girls.
Last CHAPA.
That's up. Yeah, you comment. And you girls outside there, you babes there, you are allowed to come and be part of this show. Like I told you, make sure that you follow us on all media platforms. Make sure that you contact any of the guys you're watching this video today. You make sure that you be part of this show. It will be the best show ever. We are introducing it today, and it is going to be on every time.
Auntie told us they just approach us now. CHAPA guys.
They
Just approach me. They don't fear them.
They don't
just
fear.
yeah. That's the really them.
Yeah, people can she no more.
Yeah.
You have to approach her.
Then you can.
Story
Simple
one.
stuff.
You can even know the girl.
Why not?
Let me tell you, if you're not stupid, everything's already. You'll just know, like, I have to take this person this, to take like that. Just like
By
not
keeping
even,
quiet.
you just not being quiet, but you'll go slow.
This show.
Are you getting me? Showing that you're gentle, humble, and what? And follow the perspectives of you being humble and gentle. But not like shouting at a girl immediately. No,
What is making me happy is talking of gentleness. He has damaged parts.
Yeah.
I think you can see. You
me.
can testify. Which one is he?
You can't be gentle with that.
That's being gentle.
Tell him, explain. I want to explain.
Him bringing up that point shows that he's ignorant.
Wait, you can explain.
Wait, we are in a
Let them
teaching world.
explain.
We are
You
in a
aren't
teaching world.
explaining
It's
anything.
like you saying that his hairstyle is
Yeah, it's bad.
But then,
aren't you aware of that people wear damage? It's actually it's now a normal thing.
So that one, to you, this one is not dead.
To you,
Not being gentle. It's too
even to many bulls.
yeah.
most of them are
Even
ignorant.
other people.
That's it.
The way
Not
can
other
take
people.
it,
Mama, am I not gentle to you? Okay, is it putting on a damage?
For mom, naive about the gentleman. I don't know anything. I'm naive is being.
You're taking us process by process.
No. Like according to me, yeah, you gave us your explanation about naive, but according to me, naive, I know that it is being ignorant about something that is happening.
No,
That's all
to you. To me, I said it to me, but lions gave us what they know.
yeah.
Yeah. So I go with what I know.
CHAPA do?
Mine is coming on his class.
You don't think?
So for me, according to my explanation of naive and my understanding, I'm naive about his gentleness.
But Yana, if he's talking of gentleness, that means he can take it for a party.
Yes.
What's wrong with
For
this?
a wedding party, the Jena damages are.
No,
Yes,
think
no,
that
because
man-
Let me tell you, it's gentle. Can't ever go
There's a
back
difference
to
between
gentle.
a groom or a bride than me who has come.
So let's talk about gentleness between CHAPA guys and Ntare guys. Because you're telling me you're always gentle. It's your common word
Yeah.
explaining the lion. Okay? And this one is saying this is not gentleness. How think Mukunda stating when obugento bwanyu gentleness in CHAPA guys. Like I want you to explain for us. How are you far better gentle than Ntare guys?
Because you also mentioned you're gentle.
For the gentleness, yes, it's a rich movie. But then, the chief is open my side. It's not an because you can't take on whatever damage pants. Go for your party. At this stuff. No, just but because of
Yeah.
whether Juchina are open things, Nkore, Momushana as we didn't keep at 11 stop. This is not comfortable.
You are man, you don't
Because
Are you his stylist? Are you his stylist?
Anyway,
You know, everyone
wait.
has his own.
There's also a
style.
statement saying that smartness has no. But
Let me tell you, as we are here, most of us, I think, we are putting in shoes. Most of us, I think, they are like on the camera, 1, 2, 3, we are putting in shoes. Yeah, you're only 2. Yeah, most of us we have shoes. Anyway, wait. Is that a sweater or sweater shirt? Yeah. So it's like for, yeah, it's. Are you comfortable with it in this? Are you comfortable with it in this weather?
So you also have it now. You're
What
trying
is,
to.
what's the name? What's the name of that? No, as in the cloth, not Adidas.
The type of cloth?
The type of the cloth.
Yeah. What is that called?
Took a sweetheart.
Wearing good for good.
Space.
We talk about what do we produce out.
No. I swear to God, I'm coming.
What do we have
Just give me
outside?
10 minutes, okay?
In
In just 10 minutes, I'll be there. Ice.
like that, man. Like we talk about these guys, artists.
Yes. Okay, you just be there. I'm coming.
Na CHAPA.
Hi, how about it?
We talk about them as in I want to highlight because then to Aheza, eventually to that we must correct things that we are going to discuss about. Oh,
Whatever.
yo, we go on.
Welcome from that very short break. Sidia Nkore Media can't see the Bulls and the Lions. Okay, just go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our videos, share them, and of course don't forget to give us a very big thumbs up and hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever Nkore Media drops something new for you. Chile Bulls and the Lions.
Yeah, follow the biggest
Yeah.
show. It's OMWERATO show who between CHAPA and Ntare. It's led by
Exactly.
CHAPA and Ntare, Bulls and Lions. It's led by, it's always hosted by Beazine ZDJ, doing it with Kainana Official, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'm always there doing the best. Of course, into what we know, and Tabakobadi, our camera and officer, Vejarone, Chiachua, Chigaon, Macheta, Ervin, Project D. Chigaon, a story, Konkana, fine. No, but we are going on. Of course, it is our first show related to this thing that we introduced to you. Ningashet unveiling today. You can watch, you can be part of this show in any way. As meanwhile we are going to conclude this one. I want us to know.
National nyira kuza abana bantare ngareke kora ina abastani umwana wa CHAPA yagira ngo abantare ibintu byo ku approaching girls nacyo hata na nyina kubuza wa CHAPA
kabwinci ibintu byabishyiwa
andeka ina CHAPA mahina sibatamari
tudero gende nesindo yawe
na nyina kubuza umwana wa CHAPA mumba approaching kubuza kana nabantare ekimuri yo mugamba ba CHAPA mamba approaching mamba abuza na iza ni genda nyamu. So when you know what CHAPA chigarike.
Did you get the question well? Yeah.
We approach for friendship, that is number one.
And such a name, Bamba approaching the Gamma Maganda.
It's what approaching.
The situation one and the grass and a chair
approaching women first time. Okikanumureba, Okagambuka expecting idea in your mind. Reaching to my local friendship. Most of them are these. Yeah, class. Our approaching first time now was with a friendship. Unless by approaching our children and come hand, I
will show you about your work.
The captain of Yavran agreed was a Kuyum, but very big
when one hour to the his words.
So I think you babes out there, if you know, from Guru's words, not my words. It's a disclaimer to Gambobjan. He's saying, he's like, whoever win, like you're approaching Ntare guy or your story.
Approaching. Ntare guy approaching him back.
Yeah.
No, not approaching them.
Okay.
Approaching.
Okay, someone who falls for Ntare guy.
Okay, your story. That is from a book. And Rindon, I want us to conclude this one. We shall come back. It's just a beginning of this thing. We're going to until you guys give us money. So until you accept, because they had already accepted. Born. The battle will go. Make sure that if you're outside there, you're non-Ntare student, non-CHAPA student, but you wish us have a battle of your schools, you also contact the guys you're watching in this show. Yeah. If you're there, you're from Hariam, Aganda, Mashumarago. No, at it.
Yeah, for us, one of the schools.
We recognize all the schools that are there.
Yeah,
you can
Jesus.
You can contact me.
No, basically, guys, in Western Uganda.
Yeah,
Mashumaraga Western Uganda.
Western Uganda. Anyway, one of us if you stand up and say we don't have schools.
Yeah.
Other schools are primary.
No,
and wait, when the results come, you are not even in top 100. Really, even you don't need to say that.
We shall talk about it.
Actually, you are the primary. You are the primary. Yeah, but you don't know.
You wait for this
You are
year.
the primary.
Just wait for this year, man.
No, wait. Let's not go far on that one. But my case was like, you can talk about the schools that can come. We host them. They be part of this show. There are schools outside there, like Milhi, like Ugeranyangi, the Imaka, the Muntuyera school, Tunga,
+2.
What other schools?
Yeah, there are so many.
Any school that is there, you wish to be part of this show, you make sure that you contact us or you comment down here. You'll be part of this show. You can also join our
Tell
media
us what you want us to talk about in the next show.
You follow our show. You follow our show on all media platforms. It's called OMWERATO. Who is who? So it's led by Ntare and CHAPA. And as we finalize, I want us to talk about what do we have out. Like CHAPA, like this time I will start with you. Omuntokuja, we have this one out. This is a bull who is out, and we are proud of him or her.
We have many. We have politicians. We have musicians. That can't contain politicians. We have
and most of the most especially omuntu wunkwendo tweleze yenda like ojengu this guy abantare bakumuyaka certain guy. Ngeno muntu nkogo bakumwiya.
First we have Ridema
Frederick. The late. Yeah, he was a
from
soldier.
CHAPA, yes, from CHAPA.
No big CHAPA. Okay, he was a soldier, I know.
He has changed Rwanda. Mbahindwe Rwanda is also a man.
Yeah.
And you see, right now Rwanda is somehow ahead of Uganda, as
Yeah.
you see, because we were there.
Anyone to compete president?
Yeah, let me tell you. Yeah, he was under the guidance.
No. I say, I don't want that one.
Easy.
Anyone?
I can talk about Rwanda's president.
Rwanda's president.
Paul Kagame.
So a bull helped a lion to take a seat.
No, that was on me.
No.
This is compared.
No,
Ridema
a lion
was
was
first there.
leading a bull.
A lion was leading a bull.
You can even testify. The other one was just like, wow, soldier, a president. So these are two different things. A soldier is just under a president. Just know that.
No, I want. We shall go to the history of those things. Another educator to Churgo.
Kale.
Musicians have Vampino.
Anyone, Vampino aheruka kwesho mmoja.
He's a legend.
He's a legend.
Nkakabiri right now, but he's a legend.
He's a legend.
Anyone is talking of the Tonics. Guy.
No need to explain.
Alan
He knows. No need to explain.
So Tonics,
Yeah, he knows.
Tonics outcompetes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He knows.
No,
Can you compare Tonics to Vampino?
very much. He's actually ahead of.
Wait, we are no longer comparing. Let them even compare. Compare Anthony with Vampino.
Now for me, shall not go to comparing. Aaron Tonics no man.
Yeah, of course.
So lions are saying that they have Aaron Tonics and the bull has Vampino.
Okay,
How do you compare them?
you see, they say a legend is always a legend. And they say an upcoming is always an upcoming. Right now, when we talk of Vampino, he has been in the field.
Can't I come up and become a legend?
Wait. We are talking about something in the field already.
Already in the field.
Vampino is someone of long ago. He has been in the field. We have heard of him. Actually, there was Vampino.
In the next show,
So,
wait,
now
Sky Nana, before going far. In the next show, I want us to make a research on between Frederick Wijema and Paul Kagame, who made a very typical influence, or who was the wheel of change of Rwanda between those two guys. Two, we shall know who is who between Vampino and Alan Tonics in the next show. So you should go and tell the other guys that we shall be with. They make enough research and we shall discuss about them.
Anyway,
Let me ask Ben.
Wait, you guys, it's the beginning of the show. We shall talk about
Let me
this
ask
one
Ben
in the next.
something.
we have a lot to say.
Wait, we have a lot to share.
Fresh minds.
Tukuza kumara.
Yeah.
How was your conclusion between Tonics
Okay,
and
my conclusion was, Tonix is a very good artist, by the way, and I love him, of course. I have a crush on him.
Remember,
She told us in the
I told you we crush, but we don't say we have.
So
a
you
crush
crush
on someone.
on
you're saying it on air.
Of course, yeah.
You
I have
crush
a crush
on-
on Tonix.
Okay.
Okay,
So you
okay,
crush
that's
on
not-
life.
Okay,
So you crush on life. Wait,
crushes every lion. Really.
So you crush.
But of course,
Sky Nana crashes on the lion.
Yeah.
So no one stood.
no. Actually,
Crashing is different from approaching.
Okay, fine, I'm
Exactly.
getting.
So, I would rather go with Vampino rather than Tonix. Because Vampino is a legend and this one is just an upcoming.
Okay, that one. Anyone else? A brand.
Fashion.
Fashion star. I know him. A brand is
He's mentioning ours because he knows.
No.
a brand is not correct.
Brands. That's why
players is no. I don't think what you don't remember Takuma A players, maybe in it.
Not
You know
you.
you need to see.
Not you don't chikai.
Not you. Kane chikaro chiri mu TV West na Gen TV. Yeah, it's a word from Bears in the ZJ not for me. So, hope
Yeah.
you're safe, guys.
Yeah, we are.
And next, are you Gundo Guno? This guy, Kenneth Mori. Pablo is from, is an OB from where?
both.
Both.
Yeah.
So
The level akajisomera CHAPA.
So who takes him? Who takes who? Who takes Papa?
4 years are different from 2 years.
But in 4 years, 2 years, no, wait till school. That's why
Wait.
one is almost they will ask for the A-level certificate.
No.
Do you know the reason as to why we are
You're
here?
very wrong on that. You're very wrong on that.
How?
If you apply for a job, this certificates are asked for them.
Wait a minute. I wanna inquire from you.
Yeah.
You're crushing his point.
Yeah.
You're in A-level.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And is there no difference between O-level and A-level?
It's a very big difference.
A very big difference.
Yes.
How what I know, there is a reason why Uganda's constitution says if you finish senior 6, you qualify to stand as an MP. So it's that to represent in a country, in a constituency, on a county, on a community, whatever. So no Basako Zimbabwe MP. Cherekango, you represent some people on a national level. Echikwereka 2 years are more valuable.
No, let me
Are more important
So,
than
wait,
Remember-
let me just.
Manya, what you
Remember
have
this.
forgotten,
Remember this. Eh?
in
You
4
can't
years,
just
you're
wake
just
up
preparing
and go
yourself.
to A-level.
No,
You
let
have
me
to go through O-level.
wait. Let me ask you.
Yes.
Which years of a young kid are more stressing? Yeah, which range of years of a kid are more stressing? Just like me, if I can say, 1 month, like to 5 years, are more stressing for the kids.
stressing for a kid.
Yeah, as into the mom. Yeah, you have to cater for the babe.
Okay.
In different issues, do what you take.
Yeah.
You give a lot of attention to the babe. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Anyway, the reason as why you're here, you're laying the foundation of this thing.
Yeah.
And you can't tell me we are supposed to be somewhere big without this foundation. So if you did go to Ntare, I don't think you actually you'll be some person big out there.
So
I don't
Pablo,
think so the
Pablo will
foundation.
say out. Do you have anyone else? The catcher Pablo because Ogoe Yatureme. Pablo, you're fine. We are free from you. Do you have anyone out?
Very nice, not
No.
positions, what?
I want one.
Why came 7?
Why came 7?
We are not putting YKM7. This is another class. Just put a Yoda to class.
Okay.
Dr. Elio.
You don't have any politician out.
Yeah, that's all you know. You know one.
They are many.
They are many.
They are
Just know they are many.
They are
Okay, they are many.
So
They
I
are
want,
many.
as we are soon winding up this show, I want to know. Let's leave this one. We shall add on it next show. And as we are winding up, we want to know that lifestyle, like your life, the life you enjoy inside Mbarara High School. What is that special thing that you have there that is not in these guys?
First of all, it is a freedom. And if you're given freedom, you have to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Not do the wrong thing. So to the freedom, you can do so. At least why you man will chop off Tambo. Not one is the chopper. Because it's now sorted. It's good.
The life there is
So good.
so good.
I want
There is a freedom. There is a freedom. We wanna know. We wanna know. Which freedom is that one? Abantu babaterembo.
Yeah, we don't care. Band and Bamba tell, but they get what they want from us.
But
It doesn't make sense going to school for education.
Them
School
get
will
it.
become
Let
the
me
last-
ask
if you
Doesn't
can
make sense.
recall, but they are very changed, you know, than steering book. But steering book it is under breathing. But no, it's okay to drink it. This is
Anyway, those are your words. Those are your words.
I want you to, Mr. Ben, I want you to assure me that CHAPA is completely
There's nothing. Because of that, there's nothing.
Yes. And when did you go there?
There's nothing like bullying.
No, when did you go there?
I'm not there from someone.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
They have freedom.
So there is a freedom. What do you have that they don't have?
A lot of things.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, the most thing that is most favored, like the dishes. Our dishes are very well. Always some. Outcompeted. Don't say anything. I want to share.
Wait.
Man,
He's also allowed to say anything.
Anyway, we are out competed in Western schools. What
You
our
out
dishes-
competed
Yeah,
when it comes to dishes.
meals. yeah, our meals.
You out competed
Not
when it comes to
outcompeted.
dishes.
We are not outcompeted. We are not outcompeted.
Yeah.
We are on top. We are on top of everything.
Now, then part of freedom, we also have freedom.
You also have.
We have freedom. Just going out every day. It ain't everything. Not for every student who goes out in the evening, but you go. During the weekdays,
go out
it's
like-
up to you. If you want to go, go. Yeah, that's our freedom.
That's you.
Part of our sports, we have a nice program. Very nice. Yeah, in the school. Yeah, maybe.
How did you perform last Coca-Cola competition?
The last Coca-Cola competitions actually weren't started because of the lockdown. But what I know, CHAPA was out.
The last time, as long as it did happen.
The last time.
Let's leave the corona shit.
Districts.
The last time we were knocked out.
We were knocked out. And where did you stop? Like, which one?
Which year?
No. Specify the year because one of you has to go and compensate.
Last year, let me tell you, actually you don't know the information about us.
No, I know.
Let me show you, actually, I'm a bit role model of my rival. They stopped him. Last year, zonals. He was just beaten up by some school, the Shepherd. Just a dumb school. You were out on zonals. You even didn't reach districts. Then the last year before, they didn't, just zonals, just like that. Then the previous year, it was like districts.
Remember they
yeah,
are
but they
outside.
found
There
them
are
with,
very many guys watching. Even
yeah,
CHAPA.
they found them with what? They weren't students. Yeah, and with Wachuba. So they had taken the trophy before. But then after, actually, they are not the Wachuba. Yeah, the Wachuba. They found you with the Wachuba, so the trophy was just to be grabbed from them and given out. Yeah, they had some fake students who were playing football. They aren't students.
At least they
Can you hear this one or you
They
don't?
sorted that. The trophy is not even the HM trophy. It wasn't on Shanga. They even gave us the uniforms, the what.
We just need to
Coca-Cola
see
stuff.
the evidence that
It
you
is
took
there
that.
if we can go to
We
Mbarara
shall
High
come after this lockdown. We are coming. We are coming. So this show will come inside, and where you are, wherever you are, will be coming there. And you're also allowed to be part of this show, as we are boosting and making sure that we raise our talents, our brands, and what we know. Like this one is a DJ, this one is a soccer, is a sports man, this one is all around and like what he told us. So you can. So this one will help us push our talents out there. And I wanna know. You see these things, watu jangu, watu jai you're a DJ. And basically, when you're going to CHAPA, when you're going to school, basically the main factor is books, academics. I wanna know how is CHAPA helping you guys when it comes to your talents?
First, me, I'm on the entertainment committee in Mbarara High School this year.
Yeah.
So we are one of the people we are given a chance to entertain years of mixing and my things during entertainment time.
That's
In our beautiful name.
Yeah. So there is that opportunity of developing your talent, and uncovering your hidden talents. So there are many guys.
If you go to CHAPA, everyone knows Benny DJ. This one is the guy. Every Saturday evening is always there.
Yeah, that's CHAPA.
That's CHAPA.
Only CHAPA.
So for you, your talent is shown outside the school.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Both in and out.
We have many talented students.
Wait, by the way, before going far, I wanna know: do we have anyone from CHAPA, like now, he or she, rather he? No, Sharang Nkore bahamanya mwine na bishti.
Excuse me.
So he is still a student, but he's already a brand, like he's already a celeb.
There are many.
They are many. Mention like two.
Actually, right now, the beans,
We just want like two. Like naruga nkahika harass tweeting at this guy. At least nabuza abantu nkikumi, I will get like one bari kumwe.
At least someone called best.
MC Best. He's an MC. And
We have DJ as he calls himself nice. So
I
bad.
just heard about the name. Tuwa Uganda, so you just know. So the same question goes to you. Like, do we have anyone there? Is a serious student? Nayenga already brand is growing.
Of course, Alexander.
Alexander
I brought him back. He's a dancer next year. I'm weird. Njana we want to yakuba nice now what everything. The man is good.
Man is good.
Yeah, then like just DJ. Just
now for it.
He's good at DJing.
So
Shout out to my brother Masereka. He's an upcoming artist.
Masereka.
I think I know that guy.
I've ever heard the name.
Yeah, some upcoming artist. He's actually a fellow student, same class.
Oh.
Nana Chiro.
So as we are winding up, you guys we have a lot to do. Tuenda kuzaa kapira na bao nienda kuzaa na makapira. Unaenda kuzaa MC. She's an MC. You can give him jobs. I do a lot. I do branding. I do present. I do an actor. I direct movies. I do a lot. She does a lot. This one is a DJ. This one is a sport. Novasaku tuba.
I'm still developing. I play number 11, number 10, number 7.
Number 11, number 10, number 7.
Number 3 also.
Your highest competition.
My favorite number is number 10.
No, like I wanted to know competition is what
as I've told you, I'm upcoming. Like,
the
only competitions we have been involved in are these local ones.
Interclasses.
Yeah, interclasses. Of course, even here in the village.
The Christmas team of Ntare.
No.
Not it.
Not yet. Corona.
But you already in area. Did you start from there? S1?
Yes. I started from there, S1, but
competition is high.
Competition is high, and by then I was concentrating in books instead.
Yeah. When it comes to books for you, you're very good, but when it comes to girls, embarrassing.
Okay, Tatulia Nkore Media, of course, Tatulia the Bulls and the Lions, kind of Ninjawa Bahura, a baby Murabi Targamo, Vitukava Nkore Media, and Kasuka Promotions, Uganda for Kaviabili from the two competing sides, the Bulls and the Lions. So, Komaho Elizoba,
basically, let's wind up like this. Nanishaba, last words.
Okay, I was
we are not
to that.
No, we are not. Yeah, it's fine. Conclude what you're saying.
Okay, I would like to emphasize, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our videos, and of course don't forget to share them and give us a very big thumbs up. When I'm supporting it, you comment on the videos and tell us what you want us to tell you or to talk about in the next show. The Katugarke last word.
Yeah, as we finalize this one, I want to start with you, and let us finalize this what we've started. Of course, to Gani. So the battle had not yet. Again, Omurunyankore nubageta mahisa nyung or akaste of what we are going to start. And I wanna you urge or you call upon whoever is there to be part of this one. The schools, the girlfriends you have ever that have ever come to you. Because of
the exes.
Yeah. You can call them. We need them. Yeah.
Yeah, I call upon you guys, my friends, my schoolmates, my bros, Solomon, guys, to follow us, as you are telling us. YouTube, subscribe, like our videos, then share them, because we have a lot installed for you guys, a lot of fun, blockbuster topics that will blow your minds. Yeah, you can contact me on my Twitter handle, 1Sikmon, Facebook, 1Sikmon, Instagram one sick mode, or you can call me. But if the moment you tap my Instagram, you will get everything. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and you can follow him on Facebook, Instagram, what is that, TikTok? Twitter. There is also Twitter. Girls, you can follow him because they need you. They are naive.
Yeah, and the girls. A lot of topics. We are discussing about you.
Yeah.
Just
you can also come and be part of this one.
You can come follow me,
Yeah.
talk to me. You can even tap my DM. It's fine.
It's good. It's good. We also have a WhatsApp group. When you contact him or me or this one or this one. I'm going to you, DJ.
Yo.
And as we are finalizing this show, talk to the public. You tell them what to do, what next.
You people, more is coming. So you have to come, you have to subscribe. Nkore media. Niger more is coming. Candy, as they told you, we are just starting.
Yeah.
So if one guy could beat 2 Ntare guys,
You can follow him. You can finalize. And
Yeah, anyway, I wasn't specific about what I do. Yeah, I'm good at photo editing. Yeah, I'm just like a student. Yeah, I'm trying to edit. Yeah, I'm coming up with the editing, such stuff. Yeah, then the dancing, such stuff. Yeah, I'm good at them. Yeah, actually, I urge people to come and attend this show. It's very good, very nice, awesome, interesting. Yeah, and we need more ideas from you, so you can come. Yeah, and enjoy this what. Yeah, today we are taking out an CHAPA guy. Yeah, and we did win him. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, call me Leon Kitmines. That's me. No matter the economy, the lion shall never eat grass.
okay. Follow me Beazin ZJ. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, every media platforms. You call me Beazin, BEAZI.